Okay, so today I'm right here scraping off this top layer of chicken stuff. As you can see, it's full of wood chips that have been. Yeah, so you see how rich that is? That's all from the old coop. That makes some excellent soil for nitrogen for like these heavy feeders I got. So what I have here is I have my old seed potatoes I saved from last year. You can see they're ready to go. So what I'm going to do is fill this grow bag that I showed these last year. They have a window on the front where you can pull them, check the potatoes. Fill it about that full. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some of this nice nitrogen soil in there so they heavily feed. That should be enough. Now I'm going to plant some seed potatoes in here at the lower level. Then when they pop up and start growing, I will go ahead and add another layer. So let's get some compost on this. And up the compost pile. Good old healthy scoop of compost to put on there. And then so I can either throw them in now or I can throw them in later, but it doesn't really matter. They'll find their way to the top, so I'll just go ahead and throw a few more in there. This will give me a high nitrogen I need for the soil just from the old chicken coop. Now these aren't going to go into the greenhouse. They're going to go over against the wall because the deer don't bother them, and it's just easier to water them with the main garden. So that's what we're doing today. If you look down here at the greenhouse right here, you're going to see that I put a stake in and tied it down good. This keeps the wind from blowing this thing over, along with the, as you've seen before, along with the concrete blocks over there at the base. Simple fact is that I'm going to be scraping all this good, nice nitrogen-rich soil that was built up underneath this coop that I added a lot of wood chips to. It's going to go in a nice little pile for my heavy nitrogen feeders when I need it. So it'll go into its own separate compost pile, because I don't want to mix it with the other compost, because the other compost's pH is good enough for potatoes, almost any type of vegetable, and it's got a right balance of NPK. And if I need extra nitrogen, I don't have to go buy some fertilizer. I just put in this old chicken stuff that was underneath the coop. It's cured, and there's quite a bit of it. You think about 10 by 10 foot square area, about 2 inches thick, and you got a lot of compost. Once I get it dug out, then I will level out this, the interior here, put a couple of walk bricks on there. That's these puppies right here. They'll just go down and they'll be in the center as a walkway, and I'll be able to put my buckets and other stuff right down the sides and control the amount of nitrogen, phosphate, and potassium that I want in the mix that I need into these. This will be mainly, part of it will be for tomatoes. The till tomatoes, the deer don't really bother them, so they're going to go into the raised bed over there. The tomatoes they just love to eat on, so along with the moose. I've seen a few moose eat them too. So anyway, that's the plan for today. Get more of these potatoes planted. I planted some already, but I'm going to do another bucket of them, another grow bag like this, maybe another one, maybe all three, and get the potatoes all lined up. That'll give me, I guess that will give me about 8 or 10 grow bags worth of potatoes on these 10-gallon bags. Okay, thanks for watching.